Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the new lesson on that the biology, that is the binomial nomenclature. I am Professor A.S. Rathod, Department of Agricultural Botany, KKY College of Agriculture, Nasik. So the what is the binomial nomenclature? What is the rule of binomial nomenclature? What is the importance of that the binomial nomenclature? We see the one by one. First of all, what is the binomial nomenclature? The word nomenclature is derived from the two Latin words, that is the nomen, which means that is the name, and clare means to call. So it means to call by name. It can be defined as the system which is responsible for giving name to an organism is called as nomenclature. Then history, as common name are not authentic and cannot be used for scientific purpose because these name change from language to language. So the scientist Carl Linnaeus proposed a system of naming to each organism which is called binomial nomenclature in the year of 1758. So in this system, organisms are named and their name consists of two parts. The first part indicates genus and the second part indicates the species from which the organism belong. Then some rules to give the names to the species, that is each binomial name of an organism consists of the two Latin words. First word indicates genus while second indicates the species. The generic name will be start with the capital letters and the species name with the small letters. The binomial name should be italic or underline, that is the Homo sapien, it is the name of the human being. Two taxa cannot have the same name. Then essential requisites or the requirements for the binomial nomenclature. There are three most important requisites which should be in mind before giving any name to taxons. Uniqueness, the scientific name should be unique and individual. It must be the only name within that nomenclature. Second, universally, the scientific name should be universally and acceptable throughout the world and biological societies. Ordinary name cannot be used in nomenclature because it is very difficult for taxonomists to learn name of taxa in ordinary language. And the next, that is the stability. Scientific name should be stable and authentic and cannot be changeable. Scientific name is the key to inform about a particular organism. Therefore, even the principle of priority can be set aside by the International Commission. So this is all about the binomial nomenclature given by the scientist Carl Linnaeus. Thank you.